Hi friends, welcome to Just Home Samayal. Today we will be seeing how to prepare a meal for at least for a week. If you are a working woman, it will be easy for us to prepare and keep it so that in the morning to just uh, cook it, it will be easy. I'm taking some basic ingredients like oil, salt, chili powder. If you have home chili powder, it's okay. Otherwise, take chili powder and coriander powder, turmeric, and this is jeera powder, cumin powder, and garam masala powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, and this is amchur dry mango powder. And the vegetables, I have a sliced onion, garlic, green chili, and little bit of curry leaves, tomato, ginger garlic paste, and some vegetable if you want you can. Today I'm going to do non-veg, and curd, plus I have taken 1 kg of prawns and a little bit of around 400 grams of breast piece chicken. Okay, these are the items we need. Let's see how to prepare. First I'm going to take around 1/3 of, or more than 1/3 actually, 1/3 of prawns, and adding in chopped onion, garlic, and little bit of curry leaves and green chili, and required tomatoes for this. Now the spices, I'm going to use little bit of garam masala, and salt. Okay, make sure you use less salt. If you want, we can use it at the time of cooking also. And chili powder, it's homemade chili powder. It has got both chili, coriander, everything. If you don't have that, use a little bit of chili and little bit of coriander, and turmeric powder, and finally the cumin powder, this jeera powder. Okay, I always add little bit of oil to this so that everything sticks together, because I don't use water to mix it. So either the water in the content, the water in the vegetable, or little oil, this should be enough for us to give a mix and to form a some sort of stickiness to that. That's it. Now we will keep it in a container. Okay, make sure it is an airtight container, and we will refrigerate it. Actually, we have to put it in the freezer if it is for more time, more than 2 days. If it is the next day, you can keep it in the just in the down part of the fridge. The next one, I'm taking in a cup, a small cup, to just have little bit of this I can use prawn curry using tamarind sauce. For that, little prawns is enough, so I'm just taking little bit on that, and just no vegetables are required for this. We need only chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Okay, mix it. See, this is enough for 2 to 3 people, because only the prawn curry always we just use with other vegetables, so this prawn is enough. So I'm just keeping little bit only. That's it. This is also ready. Cover and keep it aside. Okay, I have kept 2 parts now. Then the final part, I'm taking the balanced prawns in that, and onion, and little bit of garlic. Even if you want to have garlic and ginger paste, we can add that. So okay, let me add garlic powder to this. It will give a different flavor and taste, so let it not same thing which we repeat again and again. So I'm using garlic and ginger powder to this. If you want, you can add little of garlic also. Okay, and I'm just thinking whether to add chili powder, or you can use pepper powder. It's absolutely to your choice. I'm adding a little capsicum to this. Any vegetables you can do. You can do with potato, you can do with brinjal or anything. Okay, let me add little chili powder also. At the time of cooking, we can add pepper powder. So that is the reason I'm using chili powder a little bit, and salt. And turmeric powder. You could see that I'm not using tomatoes for this. It will be a different taste than the other one which we mixed it in the first. This will be like a pepper prawn. That's it. We will cover this also, and we will go with the chicken now. Okay, wash the bowl. Don't use the same bowl. Okay, I'm taking the breast piece. Actually, in total, this is 400 grams. I'm taking around 2/3 of the chicken. I'm using onion, more onion to this, and the chili and garlic pieces. You can add ginger garlic paste also to this. Turmeric powder, salt. You can see that I'm not using any fancy store-bought items, anything. Like, it's just a homemade this thing. Like maximum it will take, like, for washing, if you can just spend around 20 minutes, as it is non-veg, we have to wash it properly. If you it takes little time also for cutting onion and tomato. It will take another 5 to 10 minutes maximum, and the preparation within half an hour you can do all this preparation and keep it. It's still worth. Okay, for tomato for this, and chili powder, homemade chili powder. It's absolutely to your choice. You can use ginger garlic paste, or a garlic powder, ginger powder, or just garlic and ginger paste. Add little oil to this. Done. See, even if you are not enough with this, if you want to have some vegetables along, for example capsicum, it will go well with chicken. You can just do it at the time of cooking also. You can either keep it along with this chicken, or you can just do it at the time of, because the cutting and capsicum it will not take much time. So that's it. Done. Okay, so you can see that for around 2 to 3 days, it's more than that actually. I'm putting little more puਦੀna to that. 2 to 3 days we can just keep all these things ready. For a week also you can plan accordingly to the number of people in your family. We have got only 2 adults, and my younger son is there, so according to that I'm just keeping a little bit. And the final part, I'll just keep this and marinate this for my son for a chicken 65 sort of thing. Okay, I'm just using little salt, take little bit of ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder little bit, I'm taking little cumin powder. This is homemade only. Along with it, chili powder. Let's mix and see. If it is not enough, we can use little more later also. I'm adding in little bit of curd. enough. We will mix it. Okay, I think we have to add little more chili powder. Okay. Okay, I'll put little more chili powder to that. Just add oil to give a mix and for the spices to have a coat on the chicken. That's it. It's ready. That's it, dear friends. Like within half an hour from washing to from the preparation, it will take maximum half an hour. Today I'm doing it with non-veg. I'll do the veg also. Sometimes I'll show you. See, I'm just keeping it in the refrigerator. When you want to cook it, you have to just keep it on the before night, and the next day morning, within 10-15 minutes only the cooking time. See, you can see some of my other meal prep. I'll just show one by one on the other videos. In the next video, I'll just show you how to take this meal prep and cook it. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Just Home Samyal. Thank you.